Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Vue project using Vite, which is really simple. We're gonna have instructions on the Vite website anyway. I'll leave this down in the description below. But we basically just need to run a single command. We can use npm, yarn, or PNPM. In this case, I'll be using yarn. We can copy this command and go to our terminal. We type yarn create Vite, and then we're gonna be able to assign a name to our project. In this case, I'm gonna leave the default, which is Vite project. We hit enter, then we can select a framework. In this case, I'm gonna select Vue and select a variant between JavaScript and TypeScript. In this case, I'm gonna use TypeScript, and that's it. We can now go inside of this folder, Vite project, and install the dependencies. And then we can take a look at the files of the project. We can see that the node moles folder is now in the project. We can test the project running yarn dev or npm run dev, and we can then open this URL in the browser. And as you can see, we have our Vue and Vite project running. And that's it. Thank you.